Good morning, students. Welcome back to my English class. Today, our topic is on revision on free time, tutorial time. Refer to your Supermind activity book, page 58 for this class. Prepare your E1 notebook and Supermind activity book. This video is about tutorial time. Refer to page 58 of your activity book. You have already watched the video. Now, it's tutorial time. Refer to page 58 of your activity book. Free time. Instruction 1. Answer based on the video given. Instruction 2. Print out or copy the questions inside your English 1 notebook. There are 5 questions that you have to answer. Write the correct answers based on the picture. Students, answer the questions given. This activity is based on page 58 of your student's book. There are 2 parts that you have to do. Write the days of the week and draw your favorite day and write. This is the end of our class today. Thank you and see you in our next class. Goodbye and take care of yourself.